Cosmology is the study of the nature of the universe as a whole entity. Cosmology studies space and time, investigates the origin of the universe and its contents, including the human presence in it. The word cosmology is derived from the Greek kosmos, meaning harmony or well-ordered. As the role of science develops in human life, cosmology in the modern era is dominated by scientific explanations relating to physics or astronomy. One example is the most popular cosmological theory, the Big Bang theory. In its development, big questions regarding the origin of the universe's formation in various nations of the world have been answered philosophically, mythologically, and religiously. The diverse histories, religions, and values in every society have shaped different concepts of cosmology. In Javanese culture, the concept of cosmology views the whole life as a unity of existence that is seen as an exponent, a shadow of greater power. Unity refers to well-coordinated and hierarchically integrated order that is subject to the inevitable cosmic law. Niels Mulder said that in the Javanese view, the universe is called the Jagad Gedi, macrocosm, while humans are a representation of the Jagad Kesal, microcosm. Between them, there is a close and separable relationship. Everything that exists is a single living entity and is closely connected to the cosmos. The cosmic reality fields are not independent but are related to one another and coordinated in an orderly manner. In this unity, all phenomena have a place and are in complementary and related relationships. Such a Javanese cosmological concept is illustrated in the text of the manuscript Serat Jangkanipun Tanah Jawi. This manuscript is a collection of the Library of the Faculty of Humanities, University of Indonesia. In the main catalogue of manuscripts Nusantara FSUI, it is stated that the text of this manuscript belongs to the Primbon type. In the description of the manuscript, it is stated that the text contains a prediction of the king of Kediri, namely Prabu Aji Jayabaya, regarding the land of Java. This prediction resulted from King Aji Jayabaya's study from Sayan Gali Siam Suyan, who came from Rome. The text explains the origin of the land of Java from before the existence of humans until life on this earth or what is known as the apocalypse. Based on that, the research problem is, how is the concept of Javanese cosmology described in Serat Jangkanipun Tanah Jawi? This research is based on old manuscripts. Therefore, the most appropriate research method used to study manuscripts is philology. In the philological research method, there are several work stages: an inventory of manuscripts, a description of manuscripts, a comparison of manuscripts or texts, and determining which manuscripts are chosen to be used as data sources or edited texts. Serat Jangkanipun Tanah Jawi contains predictions about the periodization of time in the land of Java. In this text, the periodization of time in Java is divided into 3 periods. Based on the contents of the text, the concept of Javanese cosmology in the Serat Jangkanipun Tanah Jawi consists of 2 things. Javanese view that the world consists of the interconnected cosmos, and religious influence in Javanese cosmology. Based on the text, it is stated that when Javanese humans, as microcosms, begin to realize that there is a great power outside of themselves, and then they begin to worship him, as a macrocosm, the entire order of life at that time will run well. The government system was also running well because it was led by a king who had a good character, so that the people also felt at ease. It shows the concept of Javanese cosmology that views every element in this whole as a mutually coordinated system in harmonious unity. That in the Javanese view, the universe is called macrocosm, while humans microcosm. There is a close and separable interconnection. Everything that exists is a unity of life and is closely related to the cosmos. The cosmic reality fields are not independent but are related to one another and coordinated. In this unity, all phenomena have a place and are in complementary and interconnected relationships. On the other hand, when there were no people in Java who did good, the palace was split into two, which caused the government system's disorder. The situation got worse when the Javanese people were led by a king who was not of Javanese blood. His leadership often made people miserable. Then humans began to disobey God's order. Then, all phenomena have a place and are in complementary and interconnected relationships. It shows that when an element in the life's unity starts to deviate from its radars, in this case, human behavior as a microcosmic is not right, then it will have an impact on the larger cosmos, namely the country, and to a greater extent, the universe. Until in the end, what happened was the destruction of the world. Based on the contents of the text in Serat Jangkanipun in Tanah Jawi, it shows that the perspective of the Javanese people in reasoning the cosmos in the text of Serat Jangkanipun in Tanah Jawi cannot be separated from the religious background adopted by the society. This is shown in the quotation of this text. The appearance of the names Muhammad, Prophet Isa, and Imam Mahdi in the above quotation shows that the Javanese viewpoint about the end of the world cannot be separated from the Javanese religion. In this case, they believe that Muhammad is the messenger of Allah, believe in other prophets, and believe in sacred Islamic figures like what Konjaraningrat says.